Okay, I've been getting a lot of requests to do videos, so I'm gonna start with this video today, and we're gonna do a turquoise marbling stone since it's fairly simple to do, and it's one of my favorites, and I never get tired of it. So I have a bunch of different colors here, just the first colors I chose to work with. So I'm gonna start with this perfect match. This is Free Spirit. I'm gonna use this as the base for my turquoise stone. And then we're gonna cure it. Next, I'm gonna use Shellac Palm Deco. And for this part, I'm just gonna kind of smudge the grain everywhere, nowhere specifically, just burp, burp, burp. And we're gonna take this little handy makeup brush and just kind of blot the green in there. And when you do this on a full set, it's cool because every nail is totally different, and that's what makes it so much fun. Just like cure it again. And then we're gonna repeat that process with white. So I have Cream Puff by Shellac. This part only needs about a 20-second cure, so pull it out of there. And this one I want to use a little bit less white than I used green because I just want to give it a little brightness. And smudge. And it's not really adding too much to it, but in my opinion, it's the little things that count. So we're gonna cure that. Next is the fun part because I'm gonna use a Sharpie, my trusty little magical Sharpie, and that's what's gonna help us get the imperfect lines. So now that's cured, I'm going to use, we wanted a full cure for that one too, because we're gonna come in with these lines and just kind of I feel like sound effects help when you're working. And then I'm gonna have my little Dappen dish full of acetone, and I tend to save my brushes because even when they go crazy, they come in handy for things like such. So we're gonna kind of dip in the acetone, and I'm gonna pull it. We're pulling it through really carefully through the black Sharpie lines, and it's gonna make it kind of spread out. And I love this because there's blue base in the Sharpie, so when it pulls out, it gives you other dimensions and other colors that really give it a stone effect. And I find that you can't really use this technique so much with other colors when you're using the white stone. It just doesn't have the same effect, so I'll post another video doing the white stone. See how that just spreads so perfectly? I'm gonna get some of those darker colors out of there. And I'm just kind of cleaning up these areas because I want the green to show through in the white. I don't want too much of the Sharpie bleeding out. And then when you're happy with that look, I want a little bit less there. You can just keep playing with it until you're happy with the outcome. I'm gonna leave it there, and then I'm gonna come in with my Accents gel play, and I'm gonna take a little bit of a better brush this time. Absolutely love this Bio Seaweed liner. So we're gonna take our Accents paint, and what we're doing now is just cleaning up our black areas and adding more. So we want to darken certain areas. So I'm gonna come in here, and I kind of tend to shake my brush a little bit because I don't want perfect lines. I want perfect imperfection, if that makes any sense at all. I want more back up there. Definitely want some depth there. And that would be the city bus in the background, so just excuse that. Really happy with that, so now we're gonna cure. Now I'm gonna come in with my Gelish Give Me Gold. Just a smidge, because I want to add some gold to some of the thicker areas of the black. This is just my personal, what am I trying to say? Liking? I'm just having lots of words right now. This is optional, is what I'm trying to get at. I like the gold in it. You don't have to add it. You just, again, what the best part of the stone or marbling look is that they're all totally different. I just prefer the gold in it. I think it just looks kind of rad. So I'm gonna do a couple spots there. And then I'm gonna use my Gelish Bronzed. This is an older color, but oh, hi, look at that brush. Still usable. And I'm gonna come in with my little fray brush here and just add some gold there, gold up there, maybe a little here. And you can see all the different colors. We're gonna go ahead and cure it now and top coat. And now our final piece, let me get it really close, is our marble stone, our turquoise marble stone. So if you look really closely, you can see, whoops, there's my finger. The green, the white, the areas of the Sharpie that bled through. Thanks for watching.